In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download IC Markets MT4. We'll walk through the simple process to get MetaTrader 4 from the official IC Markets page, install it on your computer, and log in so you're ready to start analyzing the markets. This method works across platforms, and the official page will provide the correct installer for Windows or Mac, and links for mobile if you need them. Start by opening the official IC Markets MT4 download page. Using the broker's own page is the safest approach because it ensures you're getting the genuine platform without unexpected add-ons. Once you're on that page, look for the button labeled Download MetaTrader 4 and click it. If you're on Windows, your browser will download an .exe installer. You might see a small prompt asking whether to save or run the file. Either option is fine, but saving first gives you the chance to locate it easily in your Downloads folder. On other platforms, the page will serve the appropriate package or point you to the correct store. Next, run the installer you just downloaded. The setup wizard will guide you through a short sequence. Click. Next, accept the license terms, and then click Install. If your system asks for permission to make changes, confirm so the installation can proceed. Sticking with the default location is perfectly fine for most users. Installation typically takes under a minute, and when it's done, you can let the wizard launch MT4 automatically or open it from your desktop. With MT4 open, it's time to log in. Go to the top menu, click File, then choose Login to Trade Account. Enter your account number as the login, your password, and select the server that matches the details provided by your broker. Make sure you use the exact server name associated with your account type. If you don't have an account yet, set that up with IC Markets first, then return to this window to sign in. After you submit your details, look at the lower right corner of MT4 for the connection status. A steady stream of numbers or green bars indicates you're connected, and you should see prices updating in the Market Watch window. If you aren't connecting, double-check the server selection and that you've entered your login and password correctly. A few final tips before you dive in. Always download MT4 directly from IC Markets to avoid outdated or modified installers. Remember, you'll need an active IC Markets account to log in. And MT4 fully supports trading Forex, indices, and commodities, so you'll find the key markets right at your fingertips.